So we created our first sales funnel, but how we create things like adding payment processor and shipping and tax rules, all these different things. So you do that by clicking on the store. This is where you actually create your products, see more detailed information about the orders, creating discount codes and stuff like that. So here we created this product, which is a physical one. So when you have a physical product, obviously you have to set up a shipping rule. So if you go to settings and then you click on shipping, you can actually create a shipping rule for your product. So you can add it like a shipping rule, just some name, from what price range, if it is, or weight range, what should be the cost for the shipping. Let's say $10 globally for the whole wide world. So just like that, we've created a shipping rule. Obviously you can create as many as you want. Same goes for taxes. You can create a tax rule for whatever tax name you want to add to your product, and for whatever country you want to do that. And the next important part is the payments. So you can connect a payment processor to your checkouts. So whatever payment processor you connect, it's very simple. Let's say that you want to connect Stripe. Click on Connect Stripe, add your publishable and secret keys, and that's it. That will enable the Stripe into your checkouts. At the moment we have cash on delivery, which is an offline payment method, but you can connect as many as you want and they'll show into your funnel. So let's go back to the funnel, and yeah, let's see which setting product, which is a physical one. So let's here from the main product select the physical product that we are trying to sell, and yeah, we're now going to be collecting shipping information. And if we actually do it by having into one step, you will also see the shipping method that we've created, which is for $10, and this is the shipping rule that is called. Now again, the bump offer is there and the complete order button at the end. So just like that, we've added shipping rule, payment rule that we didn't change, but you can add anything such as Stripe, and the payment info here will show. So this is how simple it is to create your shipping, tax and payment processors for your form. If you want to create a discount code, again, you can do it from here and enable discount codes for your customers to check out all your different orders that you have with more details and information, and mark them as different statuses. You can do from this section here. These are some of the amazing things that you can do with the sales funnels, and it's very simple and robust. You can A/B test all the different pages in order to achieve best results. So you can try it out for, let's say, the landing page, and test it out with something. You can change different titles, different videos, shorten it or make it longer, whatever you think might have better results. That will show you here in the step conversions. You can see analytics about all these things, and of course analytics about the sales, which are very helpful and easy to use, as you can see. And yeah, you can see what you're selling, how you're selling, and what you're selling the most of. And at the end, to each funnel, sales funnel that you're creating, you can click on the funnel settings, and depending on the plan that you have, you can connect a custom domain to each one of them. So you can use them for different campaigns, different customers, different even friends and family. You can create and connect custom domains within one subscription. It's very simple. We have a special video about that. It's just very easy to use. So yeah, this is how you build various types of funnels for various types of products, and you can sell right away without any hassle, without any cards and processes that will reduce your conversion. This will actually help and exceed any expectations when you're trying to sell online. I hope you like them. There is multiple designs for sales funnels. As you can see, we're adding more and more all the time. But yeah, you can create your own as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask us. We'll try to help you as much as possible.